A beautiful country surrounded by greenery and mountains. Once upon a time, people lived very well in the country. Nature lovers flocked from abroad to be enchanted by the greenery and beauty of the country. He enjoyed the charm of nature. But later the population started to grow in that country, and along with it the environment started to be destroyed. No one values the environment. They cannot realize that nature is the precious resource of this world. No one would stop anyone. Everyone starts destroying the environment. Once the country started getting very hot. The summer heat is intense in the country as the balance of nature is not under control. As a result, there are numerous negative effects on public life. Public life became unbearable and various diseases broke out among the people. Children's health is especially at risk in the country. People die of exhaustion, dehydration, suffocation, and heat stroke. In addition, heat stress causes other psychological problems in people, which affect the quality of life and productivity. Besides, due to excessive hot temperature, the crops did not grow as per demand. Due to which food shortage also occurs and the country suffers economically. Hot temperatures cause cracks in roads, buildings, and other infrastructure. Fire broke out in different places. A power outage occurs. The industries that depend on the economic driving force of the country are facing major losses. Besides, survival of wild animals becomes difficult and gradually the behavior of peaceful animals also turns violent. Environmental pollution is a major problem in today's world. We are constantly polluting the environment in various ways. It will not be wrong to say that the environment is our lifesaver. Everything we need to survive we take from the environment. The oxygen we consume every second is an element of the environment. The food we consume every day is a gift to the environment. But in different countries, people have destroyed the nature and built various structures to pass their life peacefully, which poses a threat to the environment. In our way of life today, on one side is the glory of the victory of science, on the other side is the nightmare of pollution. Environmental pollution is now our constant companion. Nature is the main source of our life. If we can't maintain our harmony with nature, then why can there be a big disaster in time? If we want to build a healthy future in a healthy and conservative environment, there is no alternative to developing our relationship with nature.